everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue on with our fun little Wax Wednesday Scentsy bar fragrance comparison to popular candle series. I gotta find a shorter title for that. So last week was when I first started this series. We just kicked it off and I got a really good response, and thank you guys so much for commenting, saying that you like it. I was a little bit nervous to have people start trashing me, but it's fine. It is what it is. So this week we are choosing a new candle and some new Scentsy bars to compare or have them be complimentary to. We are going with a White Barn or Bath & Body Works candle this week, and it is Strawberry Poundcake. This one, I'm actually already done with this one, but oh man, it was really, really nice. And if you love a good fruity bakery scent, this was amazing. Or if you are looking for something to be fairly comparable but without the wicks, I have quite a good mixture for you. So White Barn or Bath & Body Works says about Strawberry Poundcake: fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, whipped cream with essential oils. So I knew I was gonna love this, and I have the perfect mixture. Actually, and there's technically two mixtures, but only one of them I actually did because the other bar I thought I had and I don't. So, but the base, the tried and true, the fabulous cake note has to come from Scentsy's Happy Birthday. This one was back in a Bring Back My Bar a couple of times, and hey, guess what? It's coming back in June. So that's why I figured I didn't want to feel too guilty about like sharing Scentsy fragrances that are not currently available and won't be available. So if you don't have your hands on a Happy Birthday bar yet, and you think that this little concoction is gonna sound absolutely amazing and something you're really gonna love, just jot it down and order it in June, because it will be available June 1st. Stock up on it, add it into your Scentsy club, because this is the most authentic, rich, funfetti cake scent I have ever smelled in my whole entire life. It is so good. It's so much more than just vanilla bean buttercream. It's so much more than just sugar cookie. You get that actual rich, buttery cake note to this that is just so, like I said, rich and decadent. It's so good. So this by far had to be a comparable or complementary scent to this candle. And then I mixed it. So 1 cube of Happy Birthday with 1 cube of Strawberry Rose. Now, originally what I actually wanted to do this, when I decided to do this mixture, I was actually wanting to do sugared strawberry with Happy Birthday. Sugared strawberry is a more, the strawberry note is more kind of in your face. And it's more of that like sugared strawberry that is going to pair so nicely with this. So I would still recommend doing that mixture if you have this candle, or if you just think that it's going to sound and smell absolutely amazing and something you're really gonna enjoy. Definitely still do that mixture. I actually just ordered a couple of bars of sugared strawberry because I thought I had a few on hand to be able to do this mixture, but I didn't. So sad for me. But I do have several bars of Strawberry Rose. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna give this a try and see. To be totally honest, I thought that the Happy Birthday was going to overpower the Strawberry Rose, but it did not. These two married so well. And like I said, I do 1 cube of each in a warmer to so that way they can mix and mingle in the same warmer. Usually what I'll do with complementary scents like downstairs is I'll have like 1 scent in one warmer, a different scent in another warmer. So I'll have different scents like in alternating warmers. But for this particular series, I'm actually mixing scents entirely. So I mixed these two, and I was pleasantly surprised with how well the strawberry was coming through, even that rich birthday cake scent. It is so good. This is a more authentic strawberry scent to me personally, whereas that sugared strawberry, it's more of the sugared strawberry. This is more strawberry, and I even get that like green, almost strawberry vine note to this. It's really, really nice. I love this on its own. And then I loved it even more mixed, but I would highly recommend giving a try Happy Birthday mixed with sugared strawberry as well. Let me tell you the notes on sugared strawberry here. Scentsy says a sweet blend of mouth-watering strawberries and soft rose petals with a touch of sheer musk. Now, I don't get the musk. I don't get the rose petals either. It's just like I do get that little bit of like, maybe it is a little bit of a floral, but I feel like it just enhances that strawberry. That strawberry is really what comes to the forefront when you smell this and when it's warmed. It's so wonderful. So I loved this mixture, and I think it was actually pretty close. I don't know that it was a dupe, but it was a pretty close mixture for sure. So if you think that this candle sounds amazing, definitely give this mix a try. Or if you have this already and you want to have something melting to be able to complement this candle, would highly recommend giving these a try. So definitely delicious. And you can see I only did 1 cube because I wanted to do the mix in one room just to really see how it was doing, how well they were performing together, to see if the birthday cake was going to drown out the strawberry scent, and it didn't. So I have a feeling I'm going to be getting through the rest of this because this mix was so good. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have this candle, if you love this candle, if you've done this kind of mixture. It's amazing. Possibly a dupe, if not a dupe, very close. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you are liking this series. There's gonna be a new candle next week that we're gonna talk about and do some fun mixing with as well. Let me know what you are loving right now, what you are mixing. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.